A condenser of capacity C is charged to a potential difference of V1. Condenser of capacity C, it is charged to a potential difference of V1. The plates of condenser are then connected to ideal inductor. Then condenser is connected to what? An ideal inductor of inductance L. The current through an inductor, when potential difference, current through an inductor, when potential difference across condenser reduces to V2. Means here we are having a situation, just by closing the switch S1, condenser is initially charged to a potential difference V1. Then what is the energy stored in condenser? Energy stored in condenser, initial energy stored in condenser, it is half C V1 square. Then this switch S is open and this switch S2 is closed. So condenser start discharging through what? An ideal inductor of inductance L. Now that discharge of condenser will take place till the potential difference across condenser, it reduces to V2. Means what is the potential, what is the energy that remains in condenser? It is half of C into V2 square. Initial energy stored in condenser is what? Half C V1 square. After connecting it across an ideal inductor, the energy that remains in the condenser, it is half C into V2 square. So what is the net loss in loss of electrostatic energy, loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor, loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor is loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor. It is initial energy stored in condenser half C V1 square minus energy that remains in condenser when potential difference across it reduces from V1 to V2. So it is half C into V2 square. This is the loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor, loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor. Now at the same time, this inductor will gain magnetic energy. And what is the gain in magnetic energy of inductor? Gain in magnetic energy, gain in magnetic energy of inductor, gain in magnetic energy of inductor is equal to half of inductor L into square of current flowing through that inductor. So we are having two terms, one is loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor, other is gain in magnetic energy of inductor, and we know that in LC oscillator, loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor is equal to what? Gain in magnetic energy of inductor. Loss of electrostatic energy in capacitor equal to gain in magnetic energy of inductor, means half of C V1 square minus half of C V2 square is equal to half of L into I square. So this is 1 by 2 term on both sides get cancelled, and we have current I square is equal to what is I square equal to? C V1 square. I square is equal to C V1 square minus of C V2 square, C V1 square minus of C V2 square, and this L will be taken in denominator. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, so current I, square root of I square means I. So current I is equal to C. Now here from these two, what can be taken common? C is taken common. So it is V1 square minus of V2 square divided by L, and this entire term has power 1 by 2. Entire term has power what? 1 by 2. So out of 4 options, look at the option B. C in bracket V1 square minus V2 square upon L raised to power 1 by 2. So B is the correct option for this question.